What are you doing?
I said do videos.
Stairs?
Do more videos.
More stairs?
Yeah.
You wanna go on them? 10 points. We're at a theater right now. My mom wanted to take the younger kids to see a show. Whoa. That would suck if I dropped my phone down there. That would suck. But
When
it's like
I had a phone, I would drop my phone down there.
I bet. It's just like a show like How to Be a Pirate or something, you know? Little kid kind of thing. And this guy was bored, so I took him out. Pose for a picture.
It's a fox! Not a real fox.
It's not a real fox.
Yeah, it's the tin fox.
Fox. I get it now. The heck? Hey, Eden. How much do you think all of this food weighs combined? You gotta tell me.
One French fry full?
50 pounds.
1 pound.
1 pound? Right.
69 pounds.
Maybe like
20. No. 15.
no. I think it's like 3 pounds.
And we're on the big camera finally, and now I can intro this because I don't think I did that yet. All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Thank you guys for clicking on it. So today, it's just kind of like a fun family day. So this morning, as you guys saw, we took the kids to a play at Yavapai College, and that was really cool. And then we went to In-N-Out, and now we're here at Fane Park, and we're just gonna walk around. This place is pretty cool. It's got some cool stuff to film, so just gonna be a fun day, filming, videoing, and I don't know, just all the stuff that I like to do. That was fun. What happened just now? I was just getting a shot of the rock and it's going through, and these rocks, they were wet for so long, like they were underwater for a long time, and so they're really, really slick. I just came down. That felt great. I remember as a kid, which, I mean, I'm still a kid, but I remember coming here a lot. When I was a lot younger, like this was one of my favorite places. I had one of my birthdays here. We used to come here with friends all the time. We would come and like draw the leaves when they were changing and stuff. It was pretty cool. It was like this place, like I've always loved this place. I don't know, it's just cool getting to come back to it. What do you think of this place?
It's terrific.
It's terrific?
Yeah, let's go.
So obviously this is my first video in a while. I'm sorry about that. I've just been like slammed with some school and life in general. It's just been really busy and like haven't had a lot of time to do this. So, but I am back now, and over the next couple of weeks I am going to be uploading a lot more videos, so you could be excited for that. I have one video in particular that I'm really excited about. It's a documentary. This whole thing happened almost a year ago. I'm actually here to record a little bit of narration and stuff for that video because, you know, documentary, you gotta narrate. Yeah, so that's coming out. Get excited for that. That is a huge announcement. It's going to kind of show like a new season that me and my whole family are gonna be kind of going into, and I'm really excited for it. Don't worry, we're not like moving out of the country or anything. We're just, you know, just gonna change a little bit. So one cool thing about this place is it has all this old mining equipment. This actually used to be a mine that right there back a long time ago. You know, there's dates like dating back to 1891 and stuff. This is old equipment that just sits here and, you know, you can look at. It's really cool coming here and seeing all this stuff because, like, I love this kind of thing where, like, you know, you get to see the stuff that the history books are talking about. Way more valuable than reading it is experiencing it. So yeah, it's cool just being able to see, like, actual people that were mining here put their hands on these pieces of metal and use them to hunt for whatever they were hunting for. I think it was a coal mine. It's just crazy. All right, I think that's going to end our little stay here. So we're gonna leave now, and then I've got a little bit, I got something else that I wanna do with you guys before we end this video.
Hey everybody, I am beatboxing for money.
Okay. No, it doesn't. All right, guys, so I'm back at the house now, and I just wanted to sit down and inform you guys on a couple things and just talk about some stuff. So obviously, like I said earlier, this is my first video that I've put out in a long while, and you know, like I said, I've just been super busy with school and life and stuff like that. You know, everyone has been, everyone is, and also, like I said, I am going to be putting out a lot more videos for you guys with one, I guess you could say, like, rule or mindset that I will have going into this. So making videos is like my favorite thing to do in the world, and it's especially awesome when it's a good video, like one that I am super proud of and stuff. So in addition to trying to put out as many videos as I possibly can, I'm going to put out the best videos that I possibly can. Going into 2018, I'm going to try to put out a video at least once or twice a week, but if I don't have a video that I think is of good quality and able to make that cut, I'm not gonna post one. And obviously, like, do you guys like watching bad videos? Because I don't. So I want to put out the best videos that I can for you guys and have the best videos that I can possibly make for myself, you know? And so yeah, I guess that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below on what you thought of this video. And thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.